Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to take a look at how Chatgpt and AI in general can help you make money. Let's start by taking a quick overview of the tools that we have on hand. Namely, we're going to be focusing on Chatgpt. This is an AI chat system which allows you to have real-time conversations. Because the AI system learns from each conversation that it has, you'll always get answers that are relevant to the current time. Now, we're sure that you're wondering how an AI chat system can help you make money. Let's find out. First, you can use Chatgpt as a time-saving device for your YouTube channel. All you need to do is input the right prompt so that it generates a script for you on the given topic. You don't even need to record the audio yourself. Just have an AI program do that for you. In the same manner, you can have Chatgpt write up your blog posts by inputting the right prompts. These prompts will allow you to do just a simple edit over of the blog for grammar before you hit post. While neither of these options will get cash in your pocket instantly, it will allow you to increase your output and your upload schedule, which means that you're going to see a greater amount of income from ad revenue. You can also use Chatgpt to create messages to include in your mailing lists, with a focus on keywords that will help bring in more viewers. This means, once again, that you're going to be able to put more time into the process of actively hooking buyers, speaking with clients, and creating the content that will actually bring in money. You can make thousands each month with Canva courses by having Chatgpt make up those courses for you. Even better, this is passive income. That means you upload it once and it consistently brings in even more money for you. You can input several prompts into Chatgpt and have it produce more than one course too, upping your income from several thousands a month to 10,000 or more a month. If you happen to be a writer, you can use Chatgpt to help you create a plot or a story summary for your next book. And if you already have a book that's been published, you can use Chatgpt to create scripts for the ads that you plan on running through TikTok to help bring buyers into your stratosphere. These advertisements are going to be filled with the current hot words too, ensuring that you get the most clicks possible. Now, it should be noted that you don't want to have the AI system write the whole story. They aren't yet at that level of intelligence. But because they are constantly learning, they're going to be able to provide you with a plot that is based almost entirely on hot topics and popular themes. As you can see, AI systems, with Chatgpt in specific, can help you bring in money by eliminating the amount of time that you have to spend on filler content and allow you to focus on the parts of your work that actually matters. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you leave a like and subscribe to our channel. That way, you get a heads up the next time we post a money-making or money-saving video. And don't forget to answer this question. What do you think of AI being introduced to the creative world? Let us know in a comment down below.